How to make your subconscious mind work for you while you sleep. Set a clear intention before going to bed. Before going to sleep, take some time to think about what you want your subconscious mind to work on. This can be a specific problem you need to solve, a goal you want to achieve, or simply a positive affirmation you want to reinforce. Make sure that your intention is clear and specific. Repeat it to yourself a few times before you drift off to sleep. Visualize your desired outcome. Visualization is a powerful tool to help your subconscious mind work for you while you sleep. As you lay down, close your eyes and create a mental picture of your desired outcome. Imagine yourself already having achieved your goal, feeling the emotions that come with it. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the better. This will help your subconscious mind to focus on the outcome you desire, making it more likely to happen. Practice relaxation techniques. When your mind and body are relaxed, it's easier for your subconscious mind to do its work. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or meditation before going to bed. This will help you let go of any stress or tension and create a more conducive environment for your subconscious mind to work in. Additionally, make sure your sleeping environment is conducive to relaxation, with comfortable bedding, a good room temperature, and no distractions. By setting a clear intention, visualizing your desired outcome, and practicing relaxation techniques, you can make your subconscious mind work for you while you sleep. Remember that consistency is key, so try to make these practices a regular part of your nighttime routine.